I'm Danielle with WTI, and let me introduce you to one of the greatest inventions ever by Flip It. This bottle emptying kit is such a game changer. If you're like me, then you also don't like throwing away your hard earned cash, and this was made for people like us. I love how easy it was to set up and how quick it was to do so. I also like that this is sort of a one and done kind of thing, meaning I can leave this cap on until I'm done with it. This set comes with a variety of sizes, so I can use it on so many different bottles. I had no trouble getting the product out, and none of my bottles fell over or leaked, regardless of their size or how heavy they were. Now, confession time. Do any of these motions look familiar to you? Because you do them. I know, I'm also guilty, but thanks to these, I don't get judgy looks from my husband anymore. I'm telling you, they work so well. I was able to get every single drop and use my products to the full. And the best part is that I can do this as many times as I want to because every part of this is easily clean and can be reused. Sometimes it really is the smallest thing that makes the biggest difference. That's exactly what these are, and that's my point of view.